Hello everyone and welcome back to another ScoreCEO tutorial video. My name is Jasmine, your ScoreCEO expert, and on today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can export payments from ScoreCEO. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you're logged in to your ScoreCEO platform, and then we are going to use the side panel here and go all the way down to invoices, and that's where we're going to be able to locate any of the payments to be able to do the export process. But before we do that, let's talk a little bit about the filters and how you can use them in order to get the time frames that you need. So let's go into the reports here in this section here. And what we want to do is we want to establish the date from and to that we want to export these payments from. So all you have to do is click on the date and we select a date. So for example, I can select the first until current date. And then all I have to do is click export. Once I do that, that will download a CSV file, an Excel spreadsheet here. We can click here, click on it, and it will open up the spreadsheet for us, and it will give us the dates, the customers, and the amounts and transaction information of the payments that were collected in that time frame that we did establish. So this is how you would export the payments from ScoreCEO. If you do have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below or use our chat box that's located on your ScoreCEO credit repair business software or at scoreceo.com, and any of our chat representatives will be able to assist you and help you with your questions. So thank you for tuning in and see you on the next one.